Nelson Labastida, and this is my partner, Lucky Silva. We're student and we're really happy to meet you today. Great. Okay. Can you tell us about yourself? Can you tell us about yourself?
tell you about myself. I can only say I'm Canadian, coming to the Philippines for vacation, and then for people.
So how long have you been here in the Philippines? So how long have you been here in the Philippines?
This time, maybe short of that, 4 times.
4 times.
But this time, I stay 7 weeks.
7 weeks.
Now, 2 more weeks. Only coming
So sir, now sir, let's move to our main topic for this reason our main topic here to interview only 3 questions to interview about your experiences in here about the Philippines. First one is, what are your pleasant experiences in communicating with Filipinos?
I must of course say that I can like Filipino people very friendly, very and helpful. Not only friendly but helpful. So that would be the first thing I noticed in Filipino people. Second is temperature, beautiful temperature. Like compared to Canada.
And your place in Canada? Okay, sir, it's great to hear. And then the second question, sir, is what are the challenging situations you have encountered?
Almost I can think of nothing. I think of never a challenge to come here. But to be here is never problem, never challenge maybe climbing a mountain like yesterday, for example. It was a challenge. But normal living, I can say no challenge, no negative challenge.
And lastly, is how did you deal with these challenges?
Communicating.
First time you came here in the Philippines, what are the how do you deal with the challenge communicating with Filipinos? The first time you have it here.
First time I find Filipinos know English. Not maybe before COVID, so that's I told the person a long time ago I came and but I want to speak. I asked the little boy, can you speak English? He said yes, we can speak, but older people know English before, but now everybody say
Not so free time. So you
Fluent.
fluent, not ever fluent on speaking English, but we try to
Communicate.
speak that. But like this, sir, that you are that you can understand us also.
First of all, Filipino English is different. Accent is different when you are speaking. I have to listen very well because it's not the same accent. Take my accent, for example, if I have a word, that's a good example. Somebody, I would say somebody, and you would say somebody. Accent at the end, and my accent in the beginning. So when speaking, then becomes sounding a bit different.
Sir, that's all the question that we asked you. And thank you for your participation, please.
Okay, can I ask some questions? I'm very interested in your terminology. What year, everybody? Same year?
First year.
First year.
First year, sir.
Oh, first year.
Yes po.
No? 3 years. 3 years. Very good. Terminology is great. I see here in Philippines, I hope you're buying something in this stage. Always cage.